1 kilogram of stone for 1 kilogram of gold. You one of the temple, and he's the second largest temple in Angkor area. His name Prech Khan Temple, north of Siem town. From the town to temple around 9 or 10 kilometers. So we pass through Angkor Thom and then a bit turn right. We'll see that huge temple. Let's go. This is one of the second largest temple in Angkor area. His name Prech Khan. Prech Khan from the town maybe 9 or 10 kilometers straight to Angkor Wat, and over Angkor Thom to the north we will see Prech Khan Temple.
I'm excited and ready.
Yeah.
What's this?
So this the northern gate of Angkor Thom. It looks beautiful right now. For Facebook. Okay, let us see it. In Buddhist Mahayanism, and on the side of the door, main one, we can see beautiful three-headed elephant. With a musical elephant with the name Airavan. Indra is sitting on the tree or the softwood tree. His name Swang, the name of local name, and his Latin with the name Tetramiles nudiflora. That means the tree you can stay in the dry season without leaf. It's not good and a bit fast growing also.
It's huge. How old is it?
So this maybe more than 200 years old.
Cool. So can we go further up?
Yeah. In the east, there are two gates. So this is one of the good condition, and you look to the face. It looks beautiful, smiling face. So you know, here always we like long earlobe and clear jaw. Clear jaw. Real Cambodian. Long, that means long life. And also with good wisdom, like Buddha earlobe. And spiritual, that means strong people.
I get. But make it longer.
Yeah. Like my earlobe also, when I go home late, my earlobe will get longer because my wife pulls it down.
Oh.
Where you were? Okay, we left to the other place. This temple, Prech Prech Khan. His name Prech Khan.
Prech Khan. What's the name?
Prech Khan, that means sword, the royal sword of the king Jaya Varman the Seventh. Yeah, the sword. And this temple was built around the year 1191 by the king Jaya Varman the Seventh for dedicated to his father. His name was Purnentra Varman the Second, the king before Angkor. So this the western entrance. It could decorate by 2 rows of the low pillar, and one side there are 49 pillars, and decorate with lion, support Buddha. So in the niche there were 4 Buddha in the gesture meditating, but all have been removed or changed by the niche king, that they turned from Buddhist to Hindu.
Oh, so that means it was Buddhist temple originally.
Yeah, original built by Buddhist king and later changed to Hindu by the Hindu king. So this pillar, one side in 49 pillar, so that right hand side and left hand side. The 49 is symbol of the day when Buddha take meditating under banyan tree in 49 days, and then he get enlightenment, become Buddha. So 49, that symbol the day when Buddha meditating under banyan tree. And then you see the main solid bridge for in to inside. It's flanked by 2 rows of the statue taken from the story, churning the sea of the milk.
Like
the right hand side, we see demon, and left hand side the gods. They are also holding naga, like we saw the gate in Angkor tomb also.
What happens to these heads?
This head, it was the whole body, but the body built in separate stone, so easy for treasure hunter who take away and then maybe sell to Thai. And some people, they said if the good head or very old carving statue, they said 1 kilogram of stone for 1 kilogram of gold.
Wow.
If the statue older, depend the style, like this to style in 12th century, and Angkor Wat older, maybe more price, and Bapun older, more price.
More expensive. So when was happening when people lose this?
Yeah, during communist time, especially before 93. Here we see some plants, especially one of the red flowers. Do you know the name of that flower? What is
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Yes, hibiscus. And how about this one? Hibiscus? Yeah, it's the original hibiscus, but now he's low-biscus.
Why?
Because when it fall down on the ground, so we call him low-biscus. Yeah, when on a tree we call hibiscus, and here low-biscus.
I agree with you.
There were 2 lion statues, the guardian.
On here.
Yes. And now we see the broken pieces over there. You
Oh,
see
those
the
are
front
lions.
leg and the back leg. Yes. Lion is the mythical animal.
Okay, so that's the guardian.
Yeah, guardian.
So what are they?
So right now we are on the small terrace, the small cruciform terrace. Before decorated by Naga balustrade, and the main door, you see there are two guardians. One side demon, one side god. But the head also stolen.
Stolen, yeah. The same time, like Secret War.
Yeah. So this the west entrance or the west gate. You see long wall and the pediment has rebuilt by World Monument Fund.
WMF.
Yeah, between 91 to 93. And on the pediment with the carving depicting of one scene of Ramayana story. So one side demon, one side God.
It's really interesting door, the entrance. The door looks very straight.
Yeah. So this door is different size. So the pediment also is more depicting that the combat, the fighting between demon and the god, that taken from Ramayana story.
So you can see the wheel, like the
Yeah, the wheel or the chariot horses. Yeah.
most interesting is the entrance, the doorway is so straight.
Yeah. So this doorway, it look not so symmetry because the first door highest one,
Yeah.
and second lower, and then get higher to the central tower. So from here to the end, to the east, 40 door frames.
40 door frames.
Yeah, and from here to the central tower, 20 door frames. But from here to the number 10, it's lowest. That means it's high, the first, and then lowest, number 10, and higher 11, higher to 20. So all the four entrance, he built like this.